Did you know that over 264 million people worldwide suffer from depression? Anxiety affects 1 in 13 globally. But what if there was a natural remedy that could help? In today's video, we're exploring the incredible benefits of saffron, especially its potential in improving mental health. Stay tuned to learn how this ancient spice could be a game changer for your well-being. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic insights on nutrition and well-being. Before we continue, I want to remind you that this video is for educational purposes only. It's no substitute for professional health advice. Make sure to watch until the end as we're going to be sharing step-by-step tips on how to incorporate saffron in your diet, so stick around. History and traditional uses. Saffron, often called red gold, has been used for centuries in various cultures for its medicinal properties. From ancient Persia to modern-day Ayurveda, saffron's health benefits have been cherished across the globe. Scientific studies. Recent scientific studies have shown that saffron can significantly improve symptoms of depression and anxiety. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Affective Disorders found that saffron was as effective as certain antidepressant medications. Another study highlighted its ability to reduce anxiety levels comparable to common anti-anxiety drugs. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to these amazing testimonials from individuals who have experienced the benefits of saffron firsthand. I've struggled with depression for years, trying numerous treatments with minimal success. When I discovered saffron, I was skeptical but desperate for relief. After a few weeks of incorporating saffron into my daily routine, I noticed a significant improvement in my mood. My depression lifted, and I started to feel genuinely happy and more resilient. An unexpected bonus was the transformation in my skin. It's now clearer, healthier, and glowing. Saffron has truly been a game changer for my mental health and skin health. I feel better, happier, and stronger than ever. Sarah L. These stories showcase how saffron has helped people lead happier, more balanced lives. Beyond mental health, saffron offers a plethora of benefits. It's a powerful antioxidant, boosts heart health, improves eye health, supports weight loss, and may even enhance memory. To get started, you'll need saffron, which you can find as threads, powder, or supplements. The recommended dosage is generally a pinch, about 5 to 10 threads, or 30 milligrams of saffron powder daily. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting a new supplement regimen. Step-by-step guide. In your diet. Saffron tea. Steep a pinch of saffron threads in hot water for 10 minutes. Enjoy a warm, aromatic tea that can help with relaxation and digestion. Cooking. Add a few saffron threads to dishes like risotto, paella, or biryani. Soak the threads in warm water or milk before adding to your recipes for better color and flavor infusion. Smoothies. Blend saffron with fruits and yogurt for a nutritious and vibrant smoothie. In your skincare routine. Saffron face mask. Mix a few strands of saffron with honey or yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing off. This mask can help brighten your complexion and reduce acne. Saffron-infused oil. Add saffron threads to a bottle of almond or coconut oil. Let it infuse for a few days. Use this oil for massages or as a moisturizer to enhance skin health. Now, let's prepare a saffron-infused dish, like saffron rice. Soak a pinch of saffron threads in warm milk. Cook your rice as usual. Once the rice is cooked, mix in the saffron milk. Stir well to distribute the color and flavor evenly. Tips and best practices. Make sure store saffron in an airtight container, away from light and moisture to preserve its potency. High-quality saffron has a deep red color, slight moisture, and a strong, pleasant aroma. Avoid saffron that appears dull or brittle. Soak saffron threads in warm water, milk, or broth to release their color and flavor before using. Medication interactions. Saffron may interact with certain medications, especially those affecting mood or blood pressure. Consult with your doctor if you are on any medication. However, it's important to note that excessive consumption can have side effects, so moderation is key. We encourage you to try incorporating saffron into your diet and see how it works for you. Have you tried saffron before? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and natural remedies. Thanks for watching.